Are these two couples already? Okay. How many years na couple na Sir Nonet?
10 years.
10 years, no? Murag same pod nila Miss Jillian and Sir Arnold, no? And how do you feel sa 10 years na, Miss Michelle?
Happy and contented.
Happy and contented naman, uy. Tanawa na to kung sa acting skills nila, happy and contented ba pod sila, no? Sa ilang performance. Now, we will flash to our first pair, the list of movies. Tagay ko ka ng pang music na pang game show palihog. Okay, flashing to you are our choices of movies. Pang game show ba? Pang game show. Okay, our list of movie choices are One More Chance, Paano na Kaya, Starting Over Again, Barcelona, and My Ex and Wise. So pair number 1, Miss Michelle and Sir Nonet, you will just need to pick one of these movies and i-flash na to ang line sa scene nga ato ang i-acting. Okay? Are we ready? Ready na ba? Ready na ba? Okay. Okay, can we ask two microphones, please? Two microphones. And of course, this game is one of TikTok's most popular wedding games po nato. Ato ang gibuhat sa buhon, okay? Okay, sige. Can we ask pair number 1, Sir Nonet and Miss Michelle, for their movie choice? Okay, they have chosen My Ex and Wise. My Ex and Wise, kisa ni siya? Si Enrique Hill and si Liza Soberano. And their characters are si Gio and si Callie. Okay. Anin ako sa ubos, no? Because they will be having the performance of their lives, no? Can we request Miss Michelle and Sir Nonet, no? Arita sa tubangan. Okay? And you may read through, no, our script para ma-internalize ninyo gamay. I will give you 1 minute. Okay? 1 minute. 1 minute starts now already. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. We will now start your acting performance. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, ato ang tabangan, no? Atong pair number 1, Sir Nonet and Miss Michelle, no? Sa pag-start sa ilahang acting performance, once in a lifetime acting performance, no? Ato ang ingon, lights, camera, unsa inyo tubag? Very good, children. Okay? And let's start with our first movie, X and Y's, Gio and Callie. Lights, camera, action.
My God, Kali. Ang tagal-tagal na nun.
Pero yung matagal na yun, nandito pa rin.
That was just one mistake.
Huh?
Isa lang.
Uy!
Kesa, 2, 3, pareho lang yon. Sumausaw ka pa din sa iba.
Uy!
Lasing ako nun.
Lintik na palusot yan. Kahit lasing ka, alam mong ginagawa mo.
Huh?
Kaya nga, nagsusuri. Ako sa'yo noon, di ba? Kasi kahit anong sabihin ko, I was wrong. Nagkamali ako. Nasaktan kita.
Ah! Let's give it up for pair number 1, Sir Nonet and Miss Michelle.